Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry jam that has only 3 healthy ingredients: blueberries, chia seeds, and stevia or your sweetener of choice. Start by popping the blueberries into a pot. You want 300 grams to 500 grams or about 10.5 ounces to 17.5 ounces of fresh or frozen blueberries. And then pop them onto the stovetop over medium heat and keep a close eye, stirring regularly. You'll see they very quickly start to break down and release their juicy goodness, and just keep cooking until it's all very easily mashable. When you can easily pop them with the back of a spoon and it's nice and liquidy, then remove from the heat and mash with a potato masher until it's smooth to your liking. You can pop it into a blender when a bit cooled, or you could use a stick blender if you'd like it to be really smooth blueberry jam. Once it's mashed to your liking, it's time to add in the sweetness. Add in 1/4 cup of stevia, sugar, your sweetness of choice. You can add more if you'd like a sweeter jam, but we find 1/4 with the sweetness of the fruit is just absolutely perfect. So just mash the sweetness in and get it all to dissolve into your jam. Once all the sweetness has been dissolved into the jam, it's time to add the chia seeds. The chia seeds are the magic ingredient that thickens up your jam to perfection without needing pectin or any other ingredients. So add in 1/4 cup of chia seeds to your jam, and then give it all a really good mix through. You want to get all of those chia seeds mixed through and every single one submerged in your jam. Then it's just a matter of being a little bit patient. Wait for the jam to cool to room temperature, and once it's at room temperature and it is thickened up nicely, you can pour it out into a jar, and just very carefully pour it out into a jar. And once the jam is all in a jar, just allow it to again cool completely to room temperature if it hasn't already, and then pop it into the fridge and enjoy it within a few days, however you enjoy blueberry jam, whether that's on your bread of choice or pancakes or mixed through yogurt. There are lots of ideas in the blog post down below, which I'll leave there for you. So click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know other recipes you'd like me to share. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.